on a Saucey trip. Big business, baby. What more you want me to tell you? You're going in a different direction. You heard? That's about to be a Saucey plane. We're going to take that WW and put a motherfucking big S on that shit. Just saucing up. Regular shit we like to do. Today is about to be a monumental day. Very monumental. Promise. Watch me work. Catch the drip. Gotta catch the drip though. I got a beard mask on.
After that, we deem whether or not they're going to use for our MedMen state-made products in full bud flower. We can do also pre-rolls and our.
I'll show you my weed blower, okay? You guys are gonna be fucking.
We ain't finished.
I think you'll be impressed. I don't know.
It's lunchtime. It's business to be in. It's still a business day for me. How about you?